GPUpdate: how to force a group policy update remotely. Keeping your group policy settings current and properly synchronized helps ensure smooth and efficient system operations, as well as security and compliance. In this video, we'll explain why timely updates matter and walk you through how to remotely force an update. Before we begin, subscribe to Ninja One's YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is group policy and what are group policies? Group policy is a Windows feature that enables administrators to centrally manage and configure systems, applications, and settings within an Active Directory. On the other hand, group policies are sets of rules that define how systems and users operate. Why should you keep group policies up to date? Outdated policies can expose systems to security risks, cause configuration inconsistencies, and lead to non-compliance with organizational or regulatory standards. Manual policy updates are helpful for urgent changes, troubleshooting, or managing remote computers. While group policies typically refresh automatically every 90 minutes, sometimes waiting isn't an option. Thus, forcing an immediate update is necessary. How to force group policy update. You can check the client's policy version through the by date. To do this, simply enter the command gpresult:/r. If your device needs to be updated after checking the results, you can manually force it. First, open a command prompt with administrative privileges. Type gpupdate:/force and press enter. The command will initiate a forced group policy update, applying all policies without waiting for the next scheduled refresh. Remote group policy update using PowerShell. As an administrator, you can use PowerShell to update the group policy and even invoke GPUpdate for remote systems. To do this, open PowerShell with administrative privileges. Enter this command. Troubleshooting and best practices. Occasionally, if policies aren't applying correctly, use the gpresult command to generate a resultant set of policy or RSOP report. This report helps you identify network connectivity problems, permission conflicts, or policy precedence errors. You can also check event logs for error messages relating to the group policy. Keeping your group policies updated is key to maintaining a secure and well-configured network. Whether you're updating locally or remotely, these tools make it easy to stay on top of it. Subscribe to Ninja One's YouTube channel for more tech content like this.